Alright. Well, ladies and gents, we just had some coffee, a little break. Now we're back on the road. Continuing down Cabot Trail, all the way around. It's telling me it's going to take us like 2 hours to complete the full circle. Hour and 40. That's cool. We're doing a little... we're doing a little loop-de-loop, if you know what I mean. Yeah. My mirror is all whacked out. I actually took out a construction cone with my mirror earlier today. Doing stunt riding. Good. So let's not pass the cop. Probably beautiful. Beautiful scenic situations. Yeah, there's a couple of turnoffs that are like coastal roads, and I'm just like, I thought this was a coastal road. Right, like really like seasonal roads. Yeah, look at these cottages. Wait, what is this? Seaside cottages. These are beautiful. These are seascape. Yeah, these are really nice. That's something to remember. Seascape. And it's the same name as the cottages we stayed at last night. Seascape. So let's remember that, because those were really cool. And there's also a driftwood bar right next to it. Driftwood bar and grill right next to those cottages. So that's an option. Seascape. And look, we got like a nice pier over here. Yep, another restaurant. Yeah, so this is nice. This is a nice area. Oh, 100%. But, because we can always, oh yeah, those are nice too. But we can always just remember that in order to get to the cottages, we had to pass that restaurant again, you know? Seascape. So, meanwhile, pay attention to wildlife and to the wetness. Technically it's wet. Technically, there's wildlife. Technically, there's cops. All technicalities. Got another sticker, so that's good. That's always good. That cop is passing someone. Oh, a bicyclist. That bicyclist. Two of them. Yeah, oh yeah, that's true. That is true, big true. There's some gas, but we don't need it, do we? No. 75 miles, no, we're good. We can do at least another 40, 50. We good. Probably waiting for us to pass so he can follow us. Yeah, it is. It's literally is a precinct. And I think there's some clear sky ahead. Now we're entering the green area of the map. Yeah, I bet all these little like pull-offs and vistas are beautiful, you know? We'll pick one in a while. A while from now. Too bad this road is wet, so we can't really Rossi this shit. Rossi would Rossi it in the wet, but we're not Rossi. It would be nice to get ahead of that car, so that way there's no way that cop can be behind us, you know? But it's okay. We don't have to get crazy. Plus, I think there's a pickup truck behind us now. So that's good. Yeah. We literally have 2 hours and 13 minutes until we do a complete loop. 157 kilometers. It's a boatload of riding. Sorry guys, I'm falling back. I'm zipping up my jacket. I forgot to zip the neck. Alright, better. We just touring at this point. We're just cruising, relaxing, riding our motorbikes around this gorgeous island. Nah, oh, whatever. Yeah, I think we should keep going probably. It is beautiful. No, we need to pull off where it's by the water and that we could get off to the sand. I feel like that by that cove, even though it's dirt, there might be around there some other little dirt off pull-offs. Dirt off pull-offs. Yeah, this is super nice. Yeah, let's keep going before that truck passes us. Yeah. No, but we yeah. Once we're a little bit more level with the water, it'll be even better. Because right now we're going right along the coast. Look at that. Wow. What a view. Am I still recording? Yes, good. What a view. And the air is just so clean. You breathe through your nose, it's like sweet. It's intoxicating. Oh yes. Oh yes. Ah, so fresh. Kinda happy I kept the thermal on. It's a little bit brisk. Ooh, look at that. That view coming up to the right. You wanna go here? I wonder if there's a little trail. Oh yeah, there's a little stairway down there. Yeah. Just a quick little peek. Can't hurt. Look at that. We got fish, we got turtles, we got whales, we got all the things. Hello. Yeah. Oh, nice. Back on the road. On the stage. Here I go. On the road again. Here I am. Turn the page. Say hello. So, for the viewers, since you don't understand what's going on here, apparently, I say hello to people in a weird way. Like a creepy... What would you describe the way I say it? Like a nervous creeper who wants to eat their face or something like that. Hello. Yeah. Yeah. Exactly. So every time I say hello, you guys should comment. And the person who counts how many times I say it in one video gets a sticker pack for free. How about that? 4 stickers. No, but well, I'm about to say hello. About how I say it, and you guys comment below and tell me if it sounds weird or anything. So imagine you, like, I'm walking down the street, right? Me, and then you're standing like, you know, 20 feet away, and I'm approaching. Yeah, you mind your own business, but we kind of look at each other, like about 10 feet apart. We look at each other like for a second, and lock eyes. And I'm now next to you. I'm now 3 feet away, and I go, hello. How does that make you feel? How does it make you feel? Do you feel happy? Do you feel interesting? Do you feel different? Do you feel unique? How do you feel? Run. Dun 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 dun. Anywho, we're on Cabot Trail. We're still cruising. We got so much to go. I have 2 more GoPro batteries. I'm gonna burn through all of them. And this is gonna be like a freaking 3-hour long loop. Because why not? Or maybe I'll do this at... That wasn't me. I'd never whistle. I have manners. Oh, look, it's a vista point over here. It's a vista point. Because they show the person with little binoculars. But we don't need that vista. We'll look at different vista later. Later. I think there's rain on the inside of my helmet, which is not ideal. Because them water driplets are not going away. Don't forget about the cop there, corrosive. Yeah, I don't know what the speed limit is, but I think we're not breaking it. I think, yeah, we're chilling. Fuck you. Hello, police officer. Would you like to have sex now? Yeah. Please don't give me a ticket. I will do anything you ask. Fact. And that's a fact. Take that to the bank and cash it. Right. Yeah. And my septum is missing, so that's an extra hole. Cause like, I'll just literally walk up to him and be like, have your way. That's it. And it's like, it's up to the police officer to interpret. Because he, like, it could mean, like, give me a ticket. It could mean, like, put me in your basement for a week, you know? Anything. Let's see. That's the trails. Sentiers. Jiggling, juggling Cove Lake. Yep. Good thing I got these fucking mittens on. But they're actually starting to break in. I think they're finally starting to stretch and give. Sponsored by Big Balls. Glorious. Yeah, we're going nothing through the greenness. There's nothing but greenness ahead. Next turn is in 86 kilometers. Let's see. We need gas in like 40 miles. We're still good. Alright. Nice little turn. A little mild Rossi. We got some sharp ass turns coming up. Real sharp. But it's nice to dry out for a second and hit the dry roads. I like the dry roads. So how much more is it if you want to hike? Ah. Right. Me. Yep. Perfect. How's my bags, Greg? Both of them or just the top? Yeah. Alright. Damn it. Not a successful strapping today. Yesterday or the other day I strapped them so good they didn't move whatsoever. So we're going left, 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 left. Does it? Nice. Yeah, there's gonna be some coves ahead that maybe we might explore. I think we should explore one of those coves. Well, as long as the freaking, I wonder, we can look up online to see how long the off-road trail is to the cove. If it's like 10 kilometers, then forget it. But if it's 1, it could be worth it to baby it, you know? Just to check out the cove. But that's not for another, like, 50 kilometers at least, maybe more. Right. And then we can, email that lady from last night and tell her that we did it, and we're thankful that she suggested it. Oh, because, like, it actually started with her grandmother. You know, and it's been in generations. What is this? What do you say about retards? What the fuck? Yo, it literally says retards. That's fucking wrong. Come on, Canada. I always thought Canada is PC. But, politically correct. But that sign said retards. It's fucking terrible. These people have no respect. I feel like there's like a bug in my helmet itching my head. Cocksucker. Let's slow down. That's where the pole... This is where the popo will fucking touch us if we're not careful. Nah, blow them off. No, but I actually said stop. Stop. Alright, we'll be on the lookout for a stop sign, boy. One bad thing about these, with this dashboard, is that my dials are wet. Normally they would be dry by now. But this dashboard, because it's blocking the wind, and my dash is actually dirty from the fucking dirt road this morning. Stop. Arret. You can come closer to him. Let's come so close I can say hello. Let me be on the right side. Watch. Watch how I do it. We'll see. Let's see. Eye contact. I pull it out immediately. Watch. Come on, baby. Please give me the business. Yay. Thank you. Hello. Still worth it. Oh, we still gotta go slow though, because it's like construction and shit. Alright, nice. Now we're about to get dirty, because it's dirty here. Everything's gonna be... yeah, it's fine. Sorry, I have to slow down, because I had to downshift. So do I stay on... okay, alright, fine. I'll go on this way. On this side. Watch out, there's some dirt coming up. Little dirt situation. Alright. Still recording. Alright, so we gotta be on the left side, yes? I don't fucking understand. I have no clue. Isn't there cars behind us too? Yeah. I have no idea what the fuck's going on. Yeah. I am. Alright, go past them. No, I would like to say hello. Oh, come on, one of you. Can anybody look at me? Hello! No? Fuck them. Fucking jerks. Why are Canadian construction workers so rude? Not a single hello back. This guy will say hello. This guy will fucking redeem himself. Do it for Canada. Whoa, god damn it. Do it for Canada, man. Come on. Look at me. Take a look at me. Let's see. Hello. No! Fuck! You know what? He like, I waved at him, he saw me, and he looked away. He literally was just like, this fucking guy. But he can't even hear my voice. the look at ya. Alright, well. Watch out, there's some sort of a weird situation here. I don't know what it is, but it looks like gravel of sorts. There we go. I think it's still like 50k here or some shit. Another little patchy patch. There we go. Another patchy patch. Patchy patches galore. Tar. What does this mean? Patchy patch. I'm gonna unzip my jacket a little bit. A little warm. There we go, much better. We're still recording? Oh, good. Would hate to miss any of this. Oh, blah, blah, blah. There we go. Another little dirt patch. That's what she said. Oh, bumpy frumpy. Alright, here we go. Trying to get to the Meat Cove. The meat pocket. Alright, I can't be... we have to go 50 kilometers per hour, which is like 30. Because that cop is waiting to fucking touch us. 80 kilometers? Oh, but I'm going like 35 miles per hour. Good lord. 80 what? You're crazy. Don't tell me there's gonna be another stop. You dirty piece of crap. There's another stop. At least it's not raining. For now. There's that. Yep. It's gonna be glorious. No. Unfortunately. Hello. Where's... I'm too rude. I need to respect these people's craft. Now that these assholes are done, we can go. Why are these people assholes? Well... yeah. I hope so. That way we're not gonna go too fast. We won't be in any danger. But I am getting hot though. My back is starting to sweat. The pace was keeping us cool. Look at this freaking truck. I would imagine if we come back in 2 years, these roads are gonna be brand new, pristine roads. Right? Like, look at this shit. Yeah. Like, slowly. Ha. As soon as you go in there, you probably dump it immediately. Kaplunka. Kaplunky. Second gear for that pussy. Yup. Not much Rossi going on right now. More like Travis Pastrana. Dirt bike humor. You would understand. Please, for the love, can we please, please, please go on dirt? I mean, not dirt. Normal roads. There we go. I think. Oh, that's what he does. He goes back and forth. That's good. That's a wild job. Why? Yeah, what is this any different? Yeah. Oh, we'll come up with a job for you. You got a truck? Yeah. That person is probably getting overtime, you know? Fucking risking their life. It is. It is a nice one. Ooh. What? Well, I mean, if we do a loop again, we may not be able to, but yeah, we'll make an effort to avoid it, sure. Well, if we stay in those seascape cottages after a loop, we're not gonna have to, you know? If we loop all the way around and then come back, but that's like at least 3 more hours of riding, maybe 4. Yo, bros, what's good? This guy's tail light is missing. What a noob. He's just on the brakes the whole time. He's trying to wear down his brake pads. They're too thick. Oh, I know, right? Construction ahead. Fucking cock. Retards. It literally says retards. Like I'm not even just being rude and crude. Right. But it still says retards. Like, they could have said stop or red. Not be like crude. Crude, rude, and perverted. Oh boy. Danger blasting ahead. Okay. Shut off your radio transmitter. Okay. Huh. Probably. Another stop. That, let's see. Look at the what? Word. Damn. Got something in my eye. There we go. Maybe we don't have to stop at all. How nice would that be? So, look, they're fixing that bridge up in that beach. Sick bro. Hi. Hello. Hi. Harley, Harley, Harley. Harley, 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 Harley. Where have all the good bikes gone? Zipline just ahead. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Danaeus breakfast. You have to pass this guy. He's cramping our style. Good lord. Hopefully he'll pull off. He seems like the type. This is his brakes. Man, beautiful road ahead too. Nice curvy section. Yep. Hideaway, campground, cabins with ocean view. Construction, gravel. Alright, construction has ended. But this asshole is still here. Hit the brakes, come on. Ooh, risky. This guy just can't freaking pull over, can he? Please, for the love of God. No, it's not gonna happen. Caution. Last gas station. Let's stop here. I don't know what that means, but I don't know what that means. Let's. All right, 95 kilometers. Oh, this premium over here. Extreme. I'm getting extreme gas. Good. That's what I like. 91. Yeah, I'm getting gas. So I'll lead the way to it, but then I want you guys in front of me so I can get you on camera. Yeah, we go to the left, that way. Alright. I gotta reset my little trip meter. There's no cars. Go ahead. What is going on here? Watch out, be careful. Let me go first so you don't miss the turn. Oh, you got it set up to the thing? Nope. Alright. We are recording once again. So now we are going to Meat Cove, and supposedly this is the most beautiful view that you can get around here, and it's gonna make you feel like you're in the middle of nowhere. It's 6 kilometers of off-roading, so I don't think we're getting on the dirt just yet because we still got 30 kilometers to go. So I think we're gonna be on normal roads for a little bit, but we're about to find out. Yup. Reset my meter. There we go. So 400 meters, we're gonna take a little right. There it is, Meat Cove. Meat Cove, 30 kilometers. Yeah, it's rich, green, lush. 80. Weird bridge. Wood? Strange. No? Good. Weed? Ha. Should've smelled like both. Two birds, one stone. Yeah. What's the speed limit here? weren't going so slow. Oh man, it's so nice here. So secluded. Yeah, except for all the cars, but the vistas left and right with the water. Dude, we should watch for like 20 minutes, at least. Because if we catch a whale, that would be the ultimate. That would be the ultimate. Yeah. I'd imagine there's no passing zones. Yeah. Well, no, we still got like 15 kilometers until gravelly parts, I'd imagine. I did 4 miles. Shit, monk. Sick. I got 33,697. Oh shit. You know what that means? Big dicks. $25,652 what? Dicks. Dicks. It's all about that. All about the D. No balls. All about the D, no balls, all about the D. Your pearly white shock is all filthy dirty. And even your Krieger has some buffalo shit on it. Humanoid. It ain't nothing like some human poo, I tell ya. Uh-huh. Alright, I'm gonna stop the GoPro for now. I'm gonna turn it back on when we hit the gravel.